It's a very quick video just showing how easy it is to create a thumbnail using Thumbnail Blaster. So here we go. So we're going to start with no video. We get a little bit of training, we'll just get rid of that. Let's use this template. Like I say, I'm not going to talk too much in this video, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to create. So again, we get this little bit of video to show us what to do, but after a while you'll know what to do. So there's our image. So we can click on there, we can click on there, we can click on the background, we can click on that image. So we don't want a dog on there. I'm just going to put a little different image in there. So we'll go to image, upload image. Don't even need to do that because I've already uploaded it, but if you do want to upload, just go to your files on your computer. I'm just going to use this one here. So it clicks in there. Let's move it over there to there. And let's do a thumbnail for this Thumbnail Blaster. So we'll go in there and we'll change that text. Thumbnail Blaster. And we'll say plus demo. Now you notice that's gone outside there. You don't have to have that in the background, but it's very easy. You just click on there and you can make that a little bit smaller. Click out, click back on it. You can move it. We can have that box there. Let's make this a little bit bigger so it stands out. Click on that background. How do we get there? We go. Just move that over to there. Thumbnail Blaster. There's a little picture there. Plus demo. I'll get rid of that. Get rid of that. I'll put a little thing in here at the bottom. Click on there. Put that at the bottom. And I'm just going to put what I usually put in there. Open. Honest review. Okay. Look at the background. Let's have a look. So we can change this to blue. Just find a colour that really you find that really pops. So what do we think? How about that? That pops a bit. That text there just wants moving a little bit. So this text has been created in one full thing, so sometimes it gets a bit awkward to move, so I move that there. So I can move the, but if I wanted to move the box I have to click in the box, you see. But you say you just get used to playing with it. So I'll put that there, plus demo, little picture there, done. Save as JPEG, or you can save and continue if you're going to save it straight to your YouTube channel. So I'll just save as a JPEG and bring that up, and there it is. So that was done. So 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks, and you've got a decent thumbnail that jumps out and catches the eye. Hope that helps.